Hello again and welcome to another video. I'm here at Yogyakarta train station and about to catch the train to Surabaya. It's quite a few hours trip, I think about 6, and we've booked a seat on the executive class, of course. So let's see what that's like. But first let's check out the train station. Terima kasih. A really nice train station, and it smells of pastries and coffee, which just smells absolutely delicious. So we'll have to check out where that smell is coming from, and I think I found it. Yes, Roti O. This is where it is, and it just smells absolutely divine. People buying their stuff, their coffee and their croissant. Oh, there it all is. Yeah, so you can see it's getting freshly made in there. Delicious. Delicious buttery pastries with coffee. What else could you want?
Bagi Anda yang akan mengakhiri perjalanan di stasiun Klaten, kami silakan untuk mempersiapkan diri. Pintu keluar stasiun Klaten berada di sebelah kiri dari arah kedatangan kereta api. Perjalanan kereta api Kertajati telah tiba di stasiun Klaten. Stasiun Klaten.
I've arrived at Surabaya train station and the entire trip took 5 hours, and I have to say it was really pleasant. So quite a nice way to travel, very relaxing, and they serve like snacks and coffee on the train. So a really good way to get from Yogyakarta to Surabaya without any hassle and thoroughly enjoy.